Welcome to MEYLE TV. Today I want to introduce to you our oil change kit for the Ford Power Shift gearboxes, namely the DCT450 gearboxes. This kit is comprised of the filter housing, the filter itself, a sealing ring and 8 liters of oil. A few things are important doing an oil change on this gearbox. First of all, you should just fill the oil from the top filling screw. Do not fill the gearbox from the side, from the control screw. Why is it? The gearbox has basically two different compartments. You first fill the first compartment, and when this first compartment overflows, it will fill the second compartment. Another important thing is not to over-tighten the oil filter housing. It may cause oil leaks on the filter housing console, or you can even break it. Use just the specified torque of 15 Newton meters there. How to do it, I'll show you now on the car. Before we carry out the actual oil change, we have to put the gear selector in each position for at least 20 seconds. After this, we start to read out the fault memory. After we switched through all gear lever positions for at least 20 seconds, we can now connect the diagnostics tool and read out the fault memory. After we have now removed the under tray, we can now drain the oil. Therefore, remove 2 drain plugs for the first and the second chamber. After all the oil has drained, we now put back in the drain plug screws. We tighten those with 43 Newton meters. Prior installation, we fill the new filter housing. Therefore, we remove the filter and fill in some oil. After we have filled the oil filter housing, we put it now on the gearbox. We tighten it with 15 Newton meters. In order to fill the gearbox, we have to take out the air filter housing. After we have filled now the initial amount of oil, it was around 5.8 liters, we now check the gearbox oil temperature. The gearbox temperature should be between 35 and 45 degrees centigrade. Additionally, all gearbox lever selection positions have to be held for at least 20 seconds. Tighten the oil level checking bolt with 43 Newton meters. Tighten filling plug with 43 Newton meters.